Welcome back, guys. So the market is pumping a lot. The question is, should you take profit now or should you wait for higher levels? Also, congratulations to those who followed our last analysis because we mentioned that there will be a pump. Whole social media was talking about a major dump. However, you can see this video and this one also. Two videos I made that there might be a good pump in the market, and that is exactly what is happening now. So let's start with the weekly chart. If I zoom in over here and show you this candle itself that is forming for this week, very bullish candle. You can see there is no wick on the top side, and the good thing is we are back into this bear flag channel once again with very strong bullish action. So we found good support around the purple 100 moving average, just crossed the green 15 moving average, which is at 12,500. If I talk about the RSI, we are sitting at 59. There is upside possible. Now this current level of 12750 is actually very important. Let me put a line over here and then we'll analyze why. Let me zoom in a bit. Look at all this rejection that happened over here at 12750. Look at all this rejection. Very intense action happening around this point. Also, if I zoom out and go back to March 2021, look at all of this action. And then even January 2021, you can see that yes, this level actually has been very important. So yes, 12750 is one of the resistance. However, looking at the candle that is forming, quite bullish, and if we close around the 12750 mark, that will actually be very nice. Now the next important level is of course 13,100 being a very important psychological number. We see a fake out above 13,000 and then there was this big drop. Look at all of this support happening here, and once again lot of action available around the 13,000 mark. So yes, a very important resistance. Also, let me know your thoughts. What do you think is going to happen? Are we heading towards 13,000? And it would be great if you could subscribe, like and share to the channel. But yes, if we keep going like this, and today Apple will announce their financial result, if they are good, then for sure we will see 13,000 either tomorrow or the next week. Also, if I drop the fib levels from the highs to the recent lows, look at this level sitting at 12,920. This is the 0.382 level. So yes, important fib level telling us also that 13,000, 13,100 roughly, this region is an important resistance. If you are able to continue pump from this point, then yes, next target can be 13,650, which will also be the 0.5 level on the fib, and it will give us a double top over here. So yes, very important action which can develop over the next few weeks. This would push the RSI towards the overbought region also, and then probably we might see some correction maybe towards 12,000 and then try to continue the trend upwards. Now let's move to the daily chart also, and we can see very strong bullish action happening over here. You can see the red 200 moving average. We have crossed out of this. The last time this happened was over here in August 2022, and this was a fake out. And if we look towards the RSI, we were seeing a bearish divergence and the RSI was almost 70, and right now our RSI is sitting at 73. So yes, a lot of pump has happened. We are in the overbought region, so maybe it is time to start getting careful. However, if the pump continues, given that Apple and Amazon, they announce good financial results, then yes, top part of the channel is again sitting at 13,000. So 13,000 is a number that we are looking towards now. So after 13,000, the price action we want to see is actually a small correction, maybe towards 12,500. By that time, the 100 moving average in purple would have come over here, and then we try to bounce from here further towards 13,600. So this is the type of price action we want to see. So recently a lot of people were talking about VIX, that it will bounce from here and it will be a large bounce on VIX which will cause a big crash in the market. However, I had made 3 videos actually talking about the fact that we will see new lows on the VIX, and today you can see the low was 17.06. so yes, we are seeing new lows. I had mentioned 15 and a half point is where we can find support and then try to bounce from here, and that is the time when we would have been at 13,000 and try to see a correction from there. So you can see how the overall story is developing on the market, because it is a big day today. You can see we have clearly broken out of this long-term downward channel, and finally we are seeing some nice positive action on the market. Some more things to consider is the fear and greed index itself, sitting at 72 points right now. I mentioned that we might touch extreme greed momentarily and then try to reject from there, and you can see we are heading towards that point. So if there is a pump today, given Apple's financial result will be out, then yes, we will be in the extreme greed region. But once again, congratulations to all of those people who followed the last analysis we presented. And as usual, market is extremely volatile. If you are planning to actively trade, Kindly use proper risk management. Thank you for watching.